in one dumbbell. So my most recent one dumbbell DVD release, and it's also available in videos called Only One. So lots of choreography there for just one dumbbell. But this one's not on it, so you might want to add this to your repertoire. So it's a straight leg kick to the front, and then with straight arms, moving the dumbbells forcefully from side to side. So another quicker type movement pattern again. This one's not very slow, but the legs are only lifting up just off the bottom of the pool. Heels are coming down, and that's because I'm staying low in the water and I'm not asking for hyper projection. So heels down. Wow. Okay, so what am I feeling? Firstly, hamstrings are working as the leg drives down to lift back up again. I've got shoes on, so it feels good to bring my heels down, alright? So, but you want to indicate that when you're teaching it. Also, arms stay straight, but notice my range of motion is not that big. So when I'm moving from side to side, I'm not moving from here to there. If you teach that on full depth, they will go bigger and slower, which changes the exercise, okay? And a big one works good, it's great too, but you need to teach it differently. I go bigger, I need to be on my toes. I need to project up, whereas this one is stay low and go quick. Train the fast twitch fibers. Also, because it's a bit quicker and it's lower, I've got to activate my abdominals a lot more from a stability point of view. Because I want to keep my spine still, my torso still and stable to create the power in the arms and the legs. And then finally, the arms need to be really straight. If they bend their elbows, which can always be an option, of course, intensity goes down. But you may like to give those an alternative, so perhaps for some of your less able clients, and for those people who want to bring the intensity down for their own purpose. So, straight arms, straight legs, quick motion side to side. Dumbbells can be really near the surface if you want to keep it easier, or push it down under the water to make it a little bit harder. Choose your music appropriately so it's the right speed, and that's this week's Aqua tip. To demonstrate the straight leg action with the dumbbell in front, it's not that hard. What you'll need to do is decide where you're going to put your hands, whether you're going to put your hands in the center or on the phone, as I mentioned, in the water. And basically your arms are in front and your legs are lifting up in front. So remember, keep it short. This is the way I would cue it in a class situation. So I'd say arms out in front, straight leg kicks up in front, pushing the dumbbell from side to side. Don't go too far, so keep it small and short, but more importantly is drive the foot down as you kick. I sometimes also use the frame because the frame helps with a bit more support. And so I would demonstrate with a straight leg kick to the front and then demonstrate the arms from side to side. Now remember, because you're on land and you don't have that resistance to the water, it's very easy to get carried away with swinging the arms too far. And as I mentioned in the pool, you only go through a short range of motion because it's the speed that's really important because it helps with engaging the abdominals, which you also want to cue from land. So no really tricky one to do, so you can do this without too much impact. Remember to tell them to drive the heels down to the bottom of the pool, and that's this week's Aqua tip.